Selling a house as is in Moreno Valley means offering it to buyers in its current condition without making any repairs or updates. Essentially, you're saying, this is what you get, take it or leave it. While this approach can save you time and money, it can also make potential buyers cautious. They might assume as is means the home is unlivable, even if it only needs minor cosmetic updates. The key to success is marketing the property effectively to attract serious buyers who understand the true value of the home. Not all buyers shy away from as-is homes. In fact, several types of buyers actively seek them out. Investors and house flippers are often interested because they see potential for profit in fixer-uppers. Cash buyers who don't need lender approval are also prime candidates since financing can be tricky with as-is properties. Additionally, first-time buyers on a budget might be willing to take on some repairs in exchange for a good deal. By pricing your home correctly and marketing it well, you can attract these types of buyers and secure a successful sale. Many for sale by owner, FSBO sellers don't realize the power of listing an as-is home on the multiple listing service, or MLS, without a realtor. This is crucial because 90% of buyers use MLS listings to find homes. Relying solely on platforms like Zillow or Facebook means missing out on a vast pool of serious buyers. However, paying a full commission to an agent just to get on the MLS can be costly. The solution? Use a flat-fee MLS listing service. This allows you to list your home on the MLS for a fraction of the cost, giving you control over your sale while maximizing exposure. One common mistake as-is sellers make is overpricing their homes. Buyers looking for as-is properties expect a discount as they factor in the cost of repairs. If your price is too high, they'll simply move on to the next opportunity. A smart strategy is to price your home slightly below market value. This approach not only attracts more interest, but can also lead to multiple offers. You're not giving your home away, instead you're making it irresistible. With the right exposure, you might even spark a bidding war, ultimately driving up the final selling price. Selling a home as is doesn't mean you have to settle for less. With the right strategy, you can save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and still achieve the best possible price. One effective way to do this is by using ListLean's Flat-Fee MLS Listing service. This service provides MLS exposure without the hefty agent fees, allowing you to reach serious buyers without the commission headaches. Curious about how much you can save? Explore ListLean's plans and discover how you can get your home in front of the right buyers while keeping more money in your pocket. By selling smart, you can navigate the as-is market successfully and come out ahead.